Shit, yeah. Hello viewers, welcome back to the channels. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to attempt to build a deck with the drawer and within my truck bed here. I'm taking on a new hobby. We're gonna try to go camping, so we'll see how it goes. I bought some lumbers here. First thing first, I'm gonna take some measurement, just a couple measurements, just basically the width of the bed, so I can cut these 2x4 in length, and the height from here to there. I'm gonna put plywood decking on top of these, so we'll see how it go. Cut the bottom rail. I'm gonna decide to use a 1-inch wood here for the bottom rail. This is a 1 inch by 4 inches, 1x4 I guess. So I'm gonna try to basically take a measurement of these using a level, so I can cut these like a little crooked stud and do it for the frame. So basically I have like 7.5 inches. I build a full frame just like that, lay it out, and these gonna be based on these. I bought these heavy duty drawer tracks. I'm gonna install it, attach it. It's all level, make sure it's all level, and then I'm gonna put a 3/4 plywood on top of these things. Make sure it's durable and long lasting. We'll see. Stay tuned. I just finished installing the track for the drawer. So all I need now is just some plywood. I'm gonna buy a mesh to do a measurement of these bed, the length and the width. Get plywood cut, and I'm gonna use 3/4 inch plywood, so it's more durable. And then also I'm gonna use 3/4 inch plywood to build my. I bought the 3/4 inch plywood. It's cut. I bought it from Lowe's. I have them cut it to length to fit the truck bed. So I just need to basically cut it around the side to make sure it's fit, and then just secure it in place. And also I bought some plywood for the drawers right here. Have them cut it into the width, so I'm just gonna cut it into length, the appropriate length, and then just secure it, and then just mount it on. Let's see. Plywood decks is installed and secure, and I'm gonna build my drawer and then install it. This is how I build things, basically design this and build it. You know, this variation of the design. You could do whatever you want, the layout, but this is my design. So I installed my drawer. I'm getting ready for camping for the first time. After I finished installing this truck bed drawer storage system. And then I installed the rack, and then the rooftop tent, which is by Roof Nest. It actually looks pretty good. Tomorrow's gonna be first day camping, so we'll see how it goes. This tent is very spacious. It could sleep up to 4 people. Nice design, very impressive. Pretty sturdy leather. Easy, it's 5 minutes. Just pop up, ready to go. Got my storage here. All my gadget, miscellaneous camping gear. We'll see how it go. Keep you posted.